Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I am one busy mama, also known as Bethany, and today we're doing eyeshadow looks. So who's ready for fall? Who's ready for fall? Because sometimes I do eyeshadow looks on here, a lot of times I do unboxings, but I love to do eyeshadow looks. So I had a request for the Star Ranch palette. I already did a look with this, so go check that out. Magic wand. Ding ding. So Jeffree Star Ranch palette has some neutrals, and I'm gonna do a neutral look because I do like neutrals. So this is a great palette. It has a mirror, and I will swatch the colors that we're gonna use. So let's prime the eyes. I already did my eyebrows with Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is Dip Brow Gel, and I have medium brown. I'm going to use the Beauty Crop Stuck on You. And let's get into it. Okay, so we have gold and some browns. Let's swatch them. Yak Farm, Owl Eyes, Open Range, and Wyoming. Ooh. Nice light brown. We got a gold. There you go. Super nice. So we're gonna go in with this Yak Farm as our base. Makes a pretty base. And these are super soft. So I have a Morphe M454 brush, nice and fluffy, has some brown probably from this left over. So we're gonna go into this, very pretty, and go into the crease or this upper portion here. This is blending so well, so soft. And kind of pat and blend. And then I'm going to outline right here. And drag underneath. Okay. Other side. I really do like how soft and blendable they are, to be honest. This being my first Jeffree Star palette that I've tried out. And drag like that. You can barely tell, but that's the whole point. And then we're gonna deepen up with Wyoming. It's a nice chocolatey brown. And we're going to stamp this right here. Look at that pigment, and then I'm going to move it up and over. Up and over, because I have hooded eyes, so I have to draw it out a little bit more. Just like this. No issues. Super pretty, easy look. And if you wanted to like deepen it up just a touch, just pat in the corner here, kind of outline it. And I'm not a makeup artist or anything. I'm just a girl on YouTube figuring it out, and I love to do eyeshadow looks. Just like that. And this is the same brush, so I haven't even switched up. Pretty? I think so. Okay, so we're gonna go with open range. Let's see how it does with the brush. And we're going to just place that here. Oh, looks really pretty. And just move it in here. That is really pretty by itself. Do the same on the other side. And then we're gonna go in with the finger, because I just feel like the finger works so nice. So, see, look at that. The finger never lies, finger never lies. So this is a very easy, monochromatic type look. You can see it matches like the brown that's in here. And I'll just go for some more. And then we're gonna go in with that gold, which is owl eyes, and kind of drag it in. So, wow, wiped off my fingers. So this is a very pigmented shade. And that's basically the gist, right? Over here. Very nice, smooth transition too. So if you want an easy look, this palette, I think right now is $28. Super easy looks to be made. Very nice. And then we have this Star Creek, which is very green. And then we have Casper Mountain. Oh, they're so pretty. I'm gonna take a little pop right here, of Star Creek. I'm just dabbing it into the corner, just like that. Just for that extra highlight. You don't have to. You can certainly leave it as is, but I really like the pop of color. So I'm gonna take Star Creek again and just bring it down here. So of course, if you're doing a neutral eye, you can just leave it off. I think it's really pretty. So so that was the neutral section of the palette. And of course you can like switch it up. You can just do the green and the blue, but I think it's pretty versatile, super easy look. Let's do some mascara and come right back. Okay, so for mascara, I just went with Thrive Cosmetics. This is Bryn, which is Rich Black. And again, using the Star Ranch by Jeffree Star palette. I think this is nice and smooth, and I really like it. So let me know what your comments are down below. What do you think? You like this? I got another one that I'm gonna do, so stay tuned for more and stay safe, guys.